What's up, YouTube cleaners? So today I'm over at a local hotel that I clean from time to time, and they had some they said some concrete prints. Somebody had some concrete on their feet or something, and plus I noticed some gum. So I come over here just to clean that one room. I charge them my minimum, which is $125, and also a lot of the times I use low moisture method, but I brought my portable today, and we're gonna go ahead and hot water extract it. So stay tuned. All right, now gum's removed. This room's been vacuumed before I came in, and you know, hotels, they're always vacuuming, so they did a vacuum on it to see if they can make a difference on this, and it didn't happen, so that's why they called me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down my pre-spray. I'm gonna go with carpet detail. It's a neutral cleaner. This is most likely wool, so you want to stay with neutral or wool safe products, and I have used carpet detail on these, and it was never a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, and then I'm gonna agitate using my scrub brushes there and my hand tool there. I call it my Mighty Mouse, right? I do so much with that thing. And then I'm gonna extract. I got my Enduro here, so it's always good to have a portable, even though you got a truck mount. Even though if you do low moisture, sometimes you might want to go ahead and do some hot water extraction. So if you can get something like this used or something, if you're a low moisture guy, so you don't have to put out so much money, it's a really good thing to have. But if you're tribal, one of those tribal guys that just hate hot water extraction, or you're a hot water extraction guy and you hate low moisture, then I guess I can't help you. But in this video, I'm using a portable. And if you watch any of my other videos, I'm using my truck mount or low moisture. And this particular portable here was, I think total was about $1,700, with the wand, hoses, and everything you need. You just have to get the scrub agitation and stuff like that. But all right, I'm gonna get started. Stay tuned. easy work. Okay, so I'm gonna get scrubbing the rest of this, and then extract. Alright guys, as you can tell, all gone. Nice and pretty again. No more gum. I found another gum spot over there next to the chair. Also, I treated it and got rid of it. So I got that gum removal from a local janitorial. It's triple S. They do mostly triple S products. I included my low speed buffers at triple S too. Triple S chewing gum remover. It's that easy. You spray it, then you get a bone scraper or a spoon or something like that, and just go over it, and it knocks everything apart. And it's that easy for gum. So, all right. So I'm gonna wrap everything up. I'm gonna have them set that air conditioning, and so this dries quicker. And that's it. All right, stay tuned. All right, so if you're just getting into business and you're wondering if these things, these portables are good enough to, you know, keep you in business till you want to upgrade or whatever, or people that are telling you that they don't do a good job. Well, let's see what came out of that. Let's see how well it cleaned. Well, like chocolate milk to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please subscribe. If you're watching the video, just go ahead and just subscribe. You know, I'm always putting videos up, teaching and cleaning. So see you in the next video.